Welcome to Mom MD Hawaii. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these super cute little makeup bags for my daughter and her friends. Starting with this bag, I had to stuff it full of towels in order to make the shape come out a little bit more. So when you do iron on with a curved shape, starting with the words on the one side, fold the design in half so I could find center, and then I placed it on carefully so I could see where center was. And the words say, "Never miss a chance to dance." I got this for free from lovesvg.com. And here I am just centering my design. And again, these makeup bags were curved. So in order to iron on curved surfaces, including hats and bags that are curved, you want to stuff it full in order to bring the material up to the surface so you can iron on. I did use a heat press set at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. And so I put a Teflon sheet in between in order to protect my heat EasyPress as well as protect the material from the heat. And then take off that protective transfer cover sheet that you got there. And it looks great, and make sure everything's adhered. This is what I'm doing here, just making sure that it all adhered properly. I think there was a little portion that had stuck up, and so I stuck it back down and did my second press with just the Teflon sheet minus that transfer carrier sheet for another 15 seconds just to make sure that the iron-on had adhered properly. And this just allows it to make sure it's really stuck on there well. You can see how the EasyPress is definitely so easy, especially on these curved surfaces. And if you have a baby EasyPress, it probably would have been easier for such a small little cosmetic bag. I have the 9x9. It still worked great. You can see the words came out. I did find a nice pink, kind of a fuchsia color that matched my bag perfectly. These bags were bought from AliExpress.com and they're very affordable. I will place the link in the description below. AliExpress is like the Amazon of China. They ship to America, and it is a lot more affordable if you don't mind waiting a little bit longer for shipping. And then I'm going to turn it around and do the opposite side. So I personalized each of these bags with the girls' names on them. And so it's just about putting your words where you want them. And then you're going to, again, place the Teflon sheet, another 15 seconds on this side at 320 degrees was perfect. It does iron out the bag as well, so if there are any wrinkles, it'll get the wrinkles out to make sure. You want to try to make it lie flat so that your iron-on is properly adhered. For this project, I did use Cricut iron-on. I don't always, but I did find that this color matched, again, my bags perfectly, which were pink and black. And it really made the pink pop. And there I am taking off that nice transfer carrier sheet that's on the iron-on material, which I love iron-on. I like it a lot better than vinyl because you don't have to do transfer tape in order to get it onto your project. And in this case, it looks like I didn't iron twice. I just took it off because it looks like it was really adhered. Take off all the towels from the center. And then I'm going to show you my nice completed bag. There's a little ballet slipper on one side and then the words on the other. The words in Design Space have to be welded together so you have one continuous name. The font was from thefont.com for free. And there's the finished project in the front with the name, personalized name, and the ballet slippers, and this is the back, and these were perfect little gifts for my daughter and her friends for their ballet recital. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.